Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull for trading. First, download the Webull app to your mobile device or computer. Once installed, you'll need to register for an account, which typically involves providing an email address or phone number. The final step for setup is identity verification. This crucial process requires submitting personal documents, like a government-issued ID, to comply with regulatory requirements. This ensures your account is secure and ready for trading. After setting up your account, the next step is funding it. You'll need to link your bank account to Webull, which makes depositing and withdrawing funds straightforward. You can then initiate an ACH transfer, which is common, or a wire transfer for larger amounts. Remember that it typically takes 3 to 5 business days for funds to fully settle in your Webull account before you can begin trading, so plan accordingly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get news, and control smart home devices with just your voice. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now let's get back to the video. With funds in your account, it's time to explore Webull's trading features. Take some time to navigate the platform, familiarizing yourself with watch lists, real-time market data, and charting tools. I highly recommend using the paper trading feature first. It allows you to practice trading with virtual money, helping you understand different order types and execution without risk. When you feel ready, select a stock, choose your order type, and place your first trade.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.